Welcome to the Caliber channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix download folder in Explorer not working on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. So at first, what you want to do is just go to your search bar and then just search for CMD. Then just run CMD as an administrator. Then just go to the description of this video and you'll find these commands. Just copy and paste the first command in the CMD and hit enter. Then just patiently wait and let it do its work. It will restore the health of your PC back. And after it has been done, what you want to do is just go ahead and copy the second command, paste it in your CMD and hit enter. This will scan your whole PC. Just wait patiently here. Or in the meantime, what you can do is just go to your disk PC and just make sure your system drives are not full. Mine is currently almost full, so I'll have to clean and free some space from here. You can close this window after that. Another thing is just go to your search bar again and search for Windows Update. Then just open up Windows Update settings. From here, just click on check for updates. Then just wait. And it has been done. Mine says that I'm up to date. But if yours has any update, just download and install the updates. And after that, close this window. And then just patiently wait for the scan to be completed. And done. And that is basically how to fix download folder in Explorer not working on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.